different parameter we need to consider. But so far, there is no any study which fit for our environment. Nobody has calculated. Nobody know what is the actual cause of death. जब तक आपका इसको वन टू वन रिलेशन नहीं होगा तब तक पॉसिबल नहीं है। तो इसीलिए हम क्या करते हैं, वी आल्सो हैव कैलकुलेटेड पब्लिश वन पेपर इन साइंटिफिक दैट इज नेचर, तो उसमें भी देखी जाए कि वी हैव कंसीडर्ड ऑल थिंग्स बट स्टिल we are dealing on experimental basis, considering maximum, minimum, wind, humidity, continuous days, continuous temperature more than 40 degrees, all the different parameters. But again, validation is not easy. Yeah. Thank you.
So this highlights a while definitions heat wave के सर air temperature पे होंगे, but more research and linking it to the health data in Indian context specifically is required. Coming specifically to sir what you mentioned, very good points on street vendors खुद क्या challenge face करते हैं, क्या solutions वो रख सकते हैं, पानी से लेके कैसे locally घर पे बिना ORS के वो electrolyte वाला घोल बना सकते हैं, कैसे वो first response अगर किसी को बेहोश हो गया या किसी को heat stroke हो गया, what is required in that period is also very important to note. And I think ये health perspective से बहुत important है कि prevention तो हम कर रहे हैं पानी से या सब चीज़ों से, लेकिन एक first response भी जरूरी है अगर किसी को कुछ field में कहीं पे street पे ही दिक्कत हो गई तो thank you so much for that sir. Now we will move to our next speaker, Mr. D. Raghunandan sir, from People's Science Movement.
Yes.
So we are running a bit behind. 10 minutes. So they can. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you. Where are we page on?
Yeah, so I've got 10-12 minutes, तो मैं ज़्यादा विस्तार से इसको present नहीं कर पाऊँगा, but I quickly run through my things. So broadly speaking, what I wanted to talk to you about today is जो street vendors के बारे में, informal sector workers के बारे में जितना डिटेल में आप सब लोगों ने बात किया, उतना डिटेल में मैं बात नहीं कर पाऊँगा, obviously, because I think that ground has been covered. I wanted to focus on some of the more general issues concerning climate change and their impact on human health and on well-being, which should be taken into account when we talk about all our people who we work with. Street vendors, informal sector workers, construction workers,
Gig workers,
outdoor workers, agricultural sector workers. So I think we must understand very broader picture regarding climate change. Within that, we can then talk about the addressing. I think the specifics of the street vendors I will not discuss because so much has been said. Maybe in between, a couple of points I'd like to make. So, two things I just wanted to emphasize about climate change is that we are reaching a stage in climate change where we are close to the danger point. Probably all of you know that in 2024, it was not only the hottest ever year, but we've gone through the hottest decade. And in 2024, average temperature in the world was 1.6 degrees Celsius
what is decade?
hotter than in the industrial era. And as you know, the scientists in the world, the IPCC has said 1.5 agar cross karenge, so that's a danger mark. We are already there. And therefore, we should be fully prepared for hard times ahead. So that's the first thing, and as we've seen it also in India with the severe heat waves that we've seen in 2023-24, and the pictures there illustrate the severity of the heat waves during those years. There was some discussion पहले बात हो रही थी about mortality and deaths resulting from heat waves. The figures that were cited there मैंने यहाँ पे भी दिखाया है. और अगर heat wave आता है तो it will bring much more mortality than just high temperature or a heat